Hello traders, today is 13th of July 2023. What an amazing trade, guys. Today let me share with you guys how we analyze the market Euro USD. Pretty straightforward. Our bias was long, as you have seen in my previous analysis, even yesterday analysis. Look at this small candle pattern. You can see here, this is the bullish engulfing candle. That's the sign of continuation. So we have explained, my trader, just keep taking up pullbacks, and that's what we did. And let me share with you guys how we analyze the entries. That's the key important thing. Is if you look at here from yesterday, we had this pullback long bank, amazing profit. And this morning again, as I said to you guys, keep taking a pullback based on this analysis. You can see here, price nicely developed pullback, 1 2 third bank, amazing profit. Then we did another analysis, keep taking a pullbacks. That's what exactly we did. I hope you enjoy this analysis, but you can enjoy more if you watch all that analysis and explanation in real time. So guys, most welcome. Join our fast growing trader community. Have a nice day.